Let's make juicy ribs and creamy potato salad. Step number 1 is to season the ribs. We're gonna mix Perfeito Pork Seasoning and sugar. All of our seasonings are sugar-free. We're adding sugar here just for balance. They also have fresh garlic and whole spices, no fillers or additives. A bit all over the ribs. Make sure they're fully coated. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Oil keeps the ribs moist while they cook. Uncover and brush with barbecue sauce. Bake it at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and let it get sticky and golden. Air fry the potatoes at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Peel and chop. Season with vinegar and all-purpose Perfeito seasoning. Add eggs, mayo, and mustard. And mix until creamy. Now serve and enjoy. Like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching.